Hey explorers, ready to enrich your kindness vocabulary? Let's look at 5 beautiful synonyms for generous, perfect for describing giving people. Charitable, giving to help others. She is a charitable person who donates often. Benevolent, kind hearted, and giving. He is known for his benevolent nature. Big hearted, emotionally generous. A big hearted gesture can brighten someone's day. Open handed, willingly to give freely. They have always been open handed with friends. Philanthropic, repeat after me. Philanthropic, supporting good causes. The philanthropic couple started a free school. Kindness is powerful, and so is your vocabulary. Don't forget to like and subscribe.